In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see liked photos on Pinterest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to like a photo and where to find the list of images you've reacted to so you can revisit them anytime. First, head over to Pinterest.com in your web browser. You'll land on your home feed or profile depending on where you last left off. Make sure you're in a place where you can browse pins comfortably, like your home feed or a search results page, so you can pick something to interact with. Next, select a photo you want to like. On Pinterest, images are called pins, and you'll see them arranged in a grid. Choose any pin that catches your eye. Click it to open the full pin view so you can see all the details like the description, the creator, and related actions. Once the pin is open, click the heart reaction. The heart icon is the quick way to show appreciation, and it adds that pin to your liked items. Depending on the current interface, reactions may appear near the save button or alongside other icons. If you see both save and a heart, remember that save puts the pin on one of your boards, while the heart marks it as liked for easy reference later. Now go to settings at the bottom left. On desktop, you'll typically find a gear icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Clicking it opens your account settings and personalization tools, which is where you'll access your activity related to recommendations. Click Refine Your Recommendations. This section helps Pinterest understand what you enjoy, and it's also where you can review the signals you've given the platform, things like topics you engage with and the pins you've reacted to. Sometimes you might see similar wording like tune your home feed. The idea is the same. Then click Activity. This area brings together your engagement history so you can review how you've interacted with content. It's designed to give you a clearer view of what's shaping your home feed and what you've liked. Here, you will see the photos that you liked. Scroll through to revisit anything you've hearted. If you change your mind about a pin, you can open it and remove the heart to unlike it, which will update this list. If something you expected to see isn't there, double check that you clicked the heart on the pin's detail page and not just viewed it. That's all you need. Go to Pinterest, like a pin with the heart reaction, head to Settings, choose. Refine your recommendations, open Activity, and your liked photos are right there for easy access. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your inspirations.